What's up everybody, this is Excalibur Dev here, and in today's video, which is going to be day 3 of the daily upload challenge, I'm going to be talking about the HTML website that I made for a competition, TSA to be exact, and I'll give you context. So TSA is a competition that is Tech Student Association, and it's similar to Science Olympiad if you guys have ever heard of Science Olympiad, but it's more like technology based or engineering based, and I participated in my school, and I chose website design and video game design because I'm really good at coding, and we did pretty good in regionals. Then we went to states. So in states I got into nationals, but I didn't want to go. So I'm going to show you guys what this website design really is. So as you can see, this, if you go into like many big, I'll show you in like Apple, you can kind of see somewhere, I don't know where it is, but let's go to like, I've seen, let's go on MacBook. It's not in MacBook either. Store, okay, AirPods, let's go to AirPods. I mean, it was there before, but like, if you can see, like, there's a, I don't know if you guys can see it, but like, it's slightly going downwards. That's what I'm showing, like right here. So if you see, they're moving as you scroll down, and that's the cool thing. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, the topic was to make a fictional makerspace, and I made a fictional makerspace here. So, and basically makerspace is basically an engineering space where people work together to do many things. So yeah, and it's basically you have to hold a makerspace and make a website about it. Okay, and this is the actual thing, the about and our vision. A makerspace, it talks about that, and it gives you our vision, what we think about it, and I'll give you guys a quick moment to read it if you want. Okay, so now that we're done with the homepage, this is the homepage by the way, if you can see this is the homepage, and let's go to the membership page. As you can see, we made 3 different types of memberships, so that you have 3 different types of tiers in the makerspace. First one is Makerspace Blueprint subscription. As you can see, as you hover over the subscriptions, it expands and also keeps the text the same. First one, experience the amazing show of the makerspace with added features going from promotion classes to discounts. And you guys can see and read what this is. Basically, it shows the best offer. So yeah. As you can see over here, it gives you all the details. I mean, over here it showed the basic summary, but over here it shows the details. So in the same subscription, it shows orientational classes, 5 free classes, discounts, and then thanks for buying the membership. So yeah, it's the same thing for everything else. It's just a little bit more orientation, 15 free classes, discounts, guest passes, community events, extended hours. And Skyscraper is orientation, 20 free classes, discounts, guest passes, community events, extended hours. Oh, I have guest passes twice, that's weird. And yeah, that's membership. This is the contact page. This is where you guys can contact us on whatever you guys, whatever questions you have. So I just really wanted to show you guys. It's a very cool form that we made. Contact us. This is obviously not our address. I don't even think this address exists. But yeah, it's not our address, not our numbers, and not our email. We just put that just in case. We just put that for filler, and it just says we will get back to you in 1 to 2 days. And as you can see, if you go into Gmail, and you put in your email address or password, it appears like this, and then it slides upwards. And I really thought that was cool, so I made it so I can make it like that. So if you put your name, last name, email address. I'm just gonna fill out this form just for you guys to see, and I'll show you what it does when you send it. As you can see, I filled out this form, and if you click send, thanks for reaching out to us. We'll respond in 1 to 2 days, and yeah, this just connects to WhatsApp. So yeah. Okay, now this is reservations. First of all, Makerspace, they have to be in one single place, obviously. So this is the place where you can reserve. Wait, I didn't go through dates, did I? Oh yeah. So these are the dates. In order to create events, or simply click and add events. In order to delete the same events, you must click the delete button. So it first labels the current day in this, and outlines and darkens it. And for example, you can just put an event right here. Hello. And it grows massive. But yeah, you can delete it. And yeah, that's the event. Also, a cool thing is put hello, and I'm just gonna put that there. Go back into like anything, reservations for example, and dates, it's still there. Contact, dates, still there. Membership, dates, still there. Refresh the tab, dates, it's still there. So yeah, reservations. Basically, in a few simple steps, you can easily book a place to make your own fabulous makerspace. Choose a state that you currently live in. Click the city reservations near you. Click the timings that you want to host it at. Optional, click the type of makerspace you want to host, and confirm that you are the host in email. The last part doesn't really work, but yeah. For example, here, I live in the gorgeous state of Virginia. So if you put Virginia, just put Hampton. You can see, you can put your name, your email, and these options. What kind of makerspace you want to make it? Engineering 2, engineering 3, coding basics, web design, creative, other, and then these are showing morning, and then it's 1 hour and morning, and this is evening. And once you send it, thanks for registration. You are now one step closer to being a makerspace creator. So yeah, that's this. And you can also go into California. I mean, there's only 4. I put the 4 big states. But like yeah, Virginia, California, New York, and Texas. Next is equipment. If you want to do anything with this makerspace, you're obviously going to want some products. So equipment. And in this equipment, you can see that you have 4 different options in computer, engineering, and creative arts. In computer, you have motherboard with CPU, graphics cards, RAM, and hard drive. And it gives you a detailed explanation. If you want to read it, you guys can have a quick second to read it. So yeah, this is that. And engineering is the same thing, except it has engineering related items. Creative arts, same thing, creative arts related items. And yeah, you can click buy now, and it says, thanks, you bought some equipment. We're one step closer for the setup for your very next makerspace. And the about page is for TSA purposes. As you can see, it says, this page is made for the purposes of TSA website design competition. Here you can find all the resources that we used and the work that we did. This is the work log. I'm not going to click it because it's going to share all the information. I don't want to do that. This is a work log, so this is what it took. This is the work log. These are the sources, so if you can see, this took a lot of time just to find every single thing. You can bootstrap, the CSS basically, cascading style sheets, equipment, and locations. This is the student copyright sheet, just to see if the student is copyrighting. And don't worry, guys, I did not copyright anything. If I did, I didn't. So yeah, this is the end of this. I'll go through the detailed explanation of all of this code later, but in a separate video. But yeah, maybe tomorrow or later. But yeah, this is the thing that I made, and I hope you liked it. See you later.